What's going on YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm here a couple days before the auto show. Ford invited me out here to take a look at a couple new products they got right here. So let's get on and talk about these new products. And shout out to my guy, RaceCar21, for providing me with this shirt, GT350. As a former owner myself, I appreciate Ford. This right here is the GTD Spirit of America edition. You can tell by the stripes that it has coming down, the red and the blue stripes. It's going to pay homage to a former version of it. So what we're going to notice that's different on here, we have the red mirror caps, and the wing on the back of it is going to be a little bit different. But before we go back there, take a look at these brakes, just all rotor up in there. So this car is the first American built car to do less than 7 minutes on the Nürburgring. So that's a huge feat right there. The interior, got the suede harness brace in the back. Nice seats. Got a lot of aero going on here. Everything on here is going to be a functional vent. Up top, nice carbon fiber splitters. Daytime running lights on. Wider hips than the standard Mustang, even wider than the Dark Horse. This nice wing on here is going to extend off the body of the car, which somebody might have got sued about that. But coming down low, we got Mustang written underneath. Just dual exhaust, not quad exhaust. And then on here is GTD. Doesn't stand for got the jaws, do you feel me? And next to the GTD, we got the RTR. So this RTR is an EcoBoost Mustang, even though it has quad tips on it. And this is going to have the camo on it because it's still under wraps. We do not know all the exact specs. Well, I can't disclose those, but RTR, a couple other things. You know, we have the pony on there to denote that it is an EcoBoost Mustang. And this is all about the performance at a cheap price. Going to have some upgraded brake calipers on here. Can't really see on the inside of it because everything is still under wraps. Ooh, what transmission that we got in there? Do I see a manual? I don't know. You tell me. Coming on up to the front. It's more of what RTR is. If you ever modified a Mustang, you know what the RTR lights in the grill is. So that's more what it is. Less aggressive, much less aggressive when comparing it to the GTD. But this is probably going to be like a $300,000 price difference because that's going to be about $350,000. And even if this is $60,000, which you can get a Dark Horse for, still $300,000 less. Another new vehicle we got here with a bunch of colors on here. It's like 4 different colors on here. It's the Stroke Bronco. So it's got the matte black hood, white and orange on the grill. Kind of looks like a Heritage Edition. Big off-road package on here. The black wheels, white and orange again. But where the top is removable, that's going to be the iconic Ford Blue. Never seen one of these before, but it pays homage, paying heritage to an older version. This one is locked because it still is a prototype, but be looking to see one of these in your showrooms in the near future. But this is more so for Baja. So Ford said they are very serious about being the Porsche of off-roading. And now that I walk over here, we got the Ranger Raptor. Shout out to my guy the Topher. He bought one of these. Got to check that thing out. But Ford is very serious about their off-roading. So they only have one car. That's the Mustang. And I'm hearing that they might have an off-road version of the Mustang coming too. A Mustang Raptor. Can you believe it? I can believe it because Ford is off their rocker when it comes to performance right now. And I'm here to say that I'm loving it. This is a nice Ranger Raptor. Less off-roady, we got the street truck over here, which is the Maverick Lobo. So they're into the street, the custom designs. This is more sleek. This is something that I would get myself. Bigger wheels, just more flashy, if I do say so myself. Great Ford blue paint. Ford does a great job when they're blues, and the front end is going to look a little bit different compared to the rest of the Mavericks. And these are all 2025s, so this is going to be the top of the line, starting about $42,000. So you can place your order in for one of these very, very soon, if not now. But taking a walk around, looking fantastic. Right here we have the Lions Edition F-150. Been seeing these all around the city because I am in Detroit. the perks of me being over here. We get to see things like this and being invited to this show. So this is the Power Boost Hybrid. Ford is in the top 3 of combustion engines, hybrid, and electrification. So that's a big win for Ford, like in the tow hooks down here. It's a great looking vehicle. Hybrids, I'm all about the hybrids. And I told you, Ford is trying to be the Porsche off-roading. We have a 2025 Expedition. This is the Trimmer Edition. If you want to go off-roading with 8 people, this is what you're going to buy right here. The Expedition Trimmer. Is this one locked? No, it is not. So I'll give you a little sneak peek up in here. You got the orange stitching. Trimmer. I was actually at the North American Auto Show when I saw a concept, the Ford Trimmer, and now that's cool that it's a trim. That was about 30 years ago, believe it or not. And wow, the steering wheel is looking rather smaller on such a brute of a large vehicle. Even looking at the wheels, you can tell it's the Trimmer. It's denoted by that little orange spoke right there. Looking good. The light is a little bit darker over here. In the back, they have the split tailgate on here now, so you can lift part of it up. Actually, since it's unlocked, I might as well just do it for me. You didn't believe me. You thought I was cap. That is no cap. So when our Lions win the Super Bowl, you can bring your F-150 or your Expedition and tailgate. We can do so just like that because Ford thought about that. Ford is all about the family, and that's what they wanted us to do. And last but not least, we have the Bronco Sport Sasquatch. Just because it's small doesn't mean it can't off-road. And Ford, I'm believing what they're saying. And is this eruption green? My favorite color on these new SUVs. Looks great. Got a gold flake to it, looking great. Especially on an inexpensive package that you can also off-road. Straight from the factory. Don't even have to do too many more modifications to it. All we need is a winch where you can pull your Expedition out the ditch if it gets stuck, but it won't get stuck. And the interior is great. Got the lime green stitching on here. Nice materials, not traditional leather. Feels like some cloth with leather blends to it. That's nice. Uh-oh, is that a Bronco in there? Yes, it is, the baby Bronco. So that's all I gotta say about that. Ford is performance oriented, and I'm looking to see what this can do against the competition now because it is a track monster. So I'd like to give a huge shout out to Ford to invite me to this event. Thank you very much. Definitely enjoyed myself. My family did too. My girls want to say something to you all. Are you girls enjoy yourselves today?
Yes.
What'd you like the most?
The car.
Which one? This one? The Mustang?
Yeah. Yes.
So which cars do you like the most back here?
That one and that one because, oh wait, no, not that one. The one that has the lions on it. That one?
Oh, the F-150 with the lions on it? Yeah, there's some big Lions fans. The Lions always visit them, and we saw a lion up here today, so the girls got to enjoy it. What did you like the most?
So this one, right here, this is my favorite. Yeah.
What do you like about it?
It was loud, it was aggressive, it looks nice, it's fast, all of the above.
Can I tell you?
Yeah. So they were out here in the RTR doing burnouts. In this limited space, but they always had professional drivers. Actually, the founder of RTR was here to talk about this car.
Talked to the designer of this car.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, tell him what he said.
So what did the designer say to you? You gotta talk louder. I'm trying to get my microphone up to her. You gotta talk louder, Jasper.
He asked me.
Not that close. Just talk loud.
He asked me if I liked the patterns.
The patterns? Do you like the patterns?
Yeah, but the thing that reminds me of the car is the Coraline movie when the mom turned into like this color. But it was not green, it was just white.
Oh, okay.
What else did you find on it?
Can I say something?
I found a horse on the car. When I was looking on it, I found a horse on the car.
Okay. Yeah, that's interesting.
I like the cars.
Which ones?
I like turtles.
All right.
Hey, I didn't get to say what I had to.
And that's all I'm gonna have to say about that. So my family had a good time, but since it's on the week, we're gonna have to get home so we can get some homework done. So appreciate you all for watching this video. Don't forget to drive safe. and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.